Hello, my name is Dennis Neal, and I'm going to show you about nature. Nature is all over us. Even today, animals, insects, bugs, plants, us, mammals, hair, lots of strange creatures and really fun creatures you can see. Animals have classes. Bird class is part of the dinosaurs, even reptile class, mammal class, lots of classes. And I can't tell you all the classes because you'll get caught in movie stuff. So, I would really like to show you about nature. Tree sap comes from trees, and it's inside trees, and it goes all the way up to the top, even in leaves, even in everything from the trees. And bushes are many things, where some berries, and bears eat the berries, and there's beehives, there are insects, and some bears eat them. So that's all for today. What can we do to save animals? Because some animals are endangered, such as snow leopards, tigers, elephants, rhinos, gorillas, elephants, and that's all for today. And keep nature safe. So, see you later. Bye. And give us a like and do what you can save nature. Bye.